Welcome to Sage, Savina, and I will be talking whether college should be free, should phones be allowed in class, reviewing the outfits worn at the Met Gala, and looking at the new iPhone 13. For this segment, we will be reviewing the outfits worn at the Met Gala. First, we will start with Billie Eilish. The direction she went with Old Hollywood, I love it and it looks great on her. I don't like her hair, but the dress is great.
I agree with Sage. I really didn't like her hair. It wasn't for me. But I think she did do something very different and unique, so I did like it.
Now Gigi Hadid. I love her red hair. I want to dye my hair red now. Her designer was Prada. I think she chose them because they always do simple modern looks, and that's what she goes with most times.
That's what I was gonna say too. Her red hair really made her whole outfit pop really, and I always feel like she does something outgoing, either a headpiece or she does something with her hair, so it adds something that's extra that makes her stand out. I'm always excited to see what she wears every year because she never disappoints.
I'm really sad her sister Bella couldn't attend. I don't know where she was at or why she didn't attend. But now, our next topic is gonna be about should college be free? Honestly, I think college should be free. If it's free everywhere else, I get why they can't do it, but at the same time,
yeah, I understand why. I understand charging, but I feel
I really
the
don't
prices,
understand. Actually,
I really don't.
I don't understand
the prices that they have for college, just because you have to do all that. You kind of put students into debt, hurting them just so they want to do what they.
No, yeah, I wouldn't
career.
take a loan out.
Oh yeah.
For college, no.
Some people just drown in student loans just because that's what they want to do with their life. That's what they're passionate about, and I feel it's sad because you're in all that debt just to do with your passion.
And I remember one time I had a teacher in 6th grade. She said she was in so much debt because she didn't know what she wanted to be in college at all.
Oh.
And so she said that she was at least 50 at this point. She's like, I still haven't paid my student loan. I felt terrible for her, but honestly, community college.
Community college.
No.
It's everyone's preference, I feel if you want the experience to go to university, if you don't really care and you just want to finish your classes and finish a cheaper way, go to community college. It's just whatever works for everyone.
No, yeah, honestly. Just give it a pause. Okay, our next question is, should phones be allowed in class? I think they do distract you at some point, but you also need to learn how to put away the phone.
I think there should just be an even ground, kind of I think our school is kind of good with it just a little bit because we're allowed to have it in school, but we still put it away during lessons.
No, yeah, I think you should be able to you should have to put away your phone during most lessons and stuff because it just kind of seems kind of rude.
Yeah, it's disrespectful, if your teacher's trying to teach, but at the same time it is hard because you can't force anyone to learn information. At the same part, it's their
it's
own
up
responsibility.
To you. And at the same time, it's if your phone's in front of you, you're gonna be more tempted to look at it. And all that. So I think you should just put it away if you want to stay focused.
Yeah, and talking about the phones, there's a new phone out right now.
Oh yeah.
I think a lot of students are gonna be
either getting it or not upgrading. It's the iPhone 13. I think we're all kind of excited about that, but at the same time, I'm not excited because it's it's dumb. It looks like the same phone. It's just.
I think they keep saying it's newer, a better quality, but I feel there's no changes to it at all.
The camera is diagonal now, so
yeah, they have
that's the only difference.
One, and they have the other one that has 3. It's
the
Pro. They have.
I think the cameras might be better. They're honestly just only upgrading the camera at this point. Yeah. That's all they're upgrading. And I don't feel it's not a switch. If it's not broken, don't fix it.
Yeah, I still have an iPhone 8 and I'm fine with it.
Yeah, she still has an iPhone 8, so I think she might need an upgrade.
I might
but not
need
me.
An upgrade.
Okay.
So thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinions and know any topics you guys want to hear down below or just message us,
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching.